गुड आफ्टरनून माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स मैं आशा करुँची जितक इंपोर्टाट क्वेश्चन देती प्राय प्रैक्टिस कर सारे आउ खाली अल्प टे तुमको कहीदे एटा प्रैक्टिस करदेव व्हाट इज फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम ए बॉडी सेड टू बी फ्री बॉडी इफ इट इज आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम ऑल अदर कनेक्टेड मेंबर्स दिस इज ऑल्सो अनदर डेफिनेशन ऑफ ए फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम. Next question, state Varignon's theorem. It states if a number of coplanar forces acting simultaneously on a particle, the algebraic sum of all the moments of all the forces about any point is equal to the moment of their resultant force about the same point. Then next question, this is one important problem. The following forces act at a point 20 kilonewton inclined at 30 degree towards north of east, 25 kilonewton towards north, 30 kilonewton towards northwest, 35 kilonewton inclined at 40 degree towards the south of west. Determine the magnitude and direction of the resultant force. This is east, west, north, south. This 20 kilonewton is at 30 degree. Now 25 is 90 degree, 45 degree 30 kilonewton, 40 degree 35 Newton. The force system is shown in the figure. You know that vertical forces is always sine and horizontal forces always cos. Delta S summation of horizontal forces 20 cos 30, 25 cos 90, 30 cos 135 plus 35 cos 220 because 30, 30, 30, 60, 90, 90 ये पहला 45, 135, then ये total 180, ये 40. Therefore, this angle is 220. 20 cos 30, 25 cos 90, 30 cos 135 plus 35 cos 220, 20 degree. Then its value 20 into 0.866, 25 into 0, 30 into minus 0.70, 35. After calculating, we have minus 30.7 kilonewton. Then delta B, summation of vertical forces, 20 sin 30, 25 sin 90, 30 sin 135, 35 sin 220. After calculating from calculator, we have delta B is equal to 33.7 kilonewton. You know that resultant force R is equal to delta A square plus delta B square is equal to minus 30.7 square plus 33.7 square is equal to 45.6 kilonewton. Then angle tan theta is equal to delta B by delta S is equal to 33.7 by minus 30.7 is equal to minus 1.098. Theta is equal to tan inverse minus 1.098 is equal to 47.7 degree is the required angle. This is the most important questions. Then another question, the forces 20 Newton, 30 Newton, 40 Newton, 50 Newton and 60 Newton are acting at one of the angular points of a regular hexagon towards the other 5 angular points taken in order. Find the magnitude and direction of the resultant force. This system is given by some delta S summation of forces horizontally 20 cos 0. This angle is 0. 20 cos 0 plus this angle is 30, force 30, 30 cos 30 plus 40 cos 60 because 30 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 plus 50 cos 90 because 30 plus 30 plus 30, 90 plus 60 cos 120 because this total angle is 90, this angle is 30, 120. After calculating from calculator, we have 36.0 Newton. Then delta B summation of forces vertically 20 sin 0, 30 sin 30, 40 sin 60, 50 sin 90 plus 60 sin 120. After calculating from calculator, we have delta B is equal to 151.6 Newton. we know that magnitude of resultant force R is equal to delta A square plus delta B square is equal to 36 square plus 151.6 square is equal to 155.8 Newton. Then tan theta is equal to delta B by delta H, 151.6 by 36, 0. 4.211, theta is equal to tan inverse 4.211, 76.76 degree is the required angle. Now, this question is very important. Determine the center of gravity of hemisphere of radius 40. You know that center of gravity of hemisphere is equal to 3r by 8. Putting the value of r, we have 3 into 40 divided by 8, 15 mm from the base. Next question. Find the center of gravity of right circular cone of height 60 mm and base radius 40 mm from its base and vertex. The center of gravity of right circular cone from base h by 4, that is 60 by 4 is equal to 15 mm. Then the center of gravity of right circular cone from vertex, that is top, h minus h by 4 is equal to 3h by 4 is equal to 3 into 60 by 4 is equal to 45 mm. ମୁଁ ଆଶା କରୁଛି ତୁମେ ଏଟା ସବୁ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କର, ମାନେ ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ପ୍ରିପେୟାରରେ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ଭଲ ହେବନି. Kindly share your friends and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Best of luck.